Maz at Triple C Creations. Hey, it's Maz today. So, hold on. Hey, it's Maz. Oh, why are the words leaving me here? Hold on. Okay, we'll try this again. It's Maz at Triple C Creations. Today is a good day to start on this S10 street rod that we've been continuously working on. Because, well, yesterday, this wonderful weather out here, it was a whole -2, -4 yesterday. Kid and I went sledding, lots of drifts and everything. In a matter of 12 hours or more. -20, blowing snow. And we got snow drifts everywhere. Great big huge drifts. I don't know if you can see them way over there. That drift we had pounded down with the snow machines yesterday. They're all back. We'd use the Jeep, but we broke an engine mount. It was a homemade mount that the previous owner had, and I never did get around to fixing it proper. So right now she's down. The motor dropped. Cut a hose and cut the lower rad hose. So I guess I'm shoveling for a little bit here. And it's just too miserable today to work on this thing outside. So we are going to go inside. We're going to work where it's nice and warm. Because I am not going to go mess out in this cold. So, let's see what we got here. She is, oh, she's a nice toasty 20 degrees in here. So, let's get at her. Luxury of power steering. I know all you hot rodders think, what do you need power steering for? That takes power away. You know what? I got some hot rods, I got some project ones, I got ones that I didn't race. Once in a while it's nice to just have power steering when you get older. Holy. The biggest thing that sucks, and every hot rodder will know this. You go to a car show, you go in a parking lot or something, you go cruising out at night, and out here they got what they call Sunday night cruising out in this big city, out in Winnipeg, and or Saturday night or whatever. Say you go in, you get your big bad hot rod, and you just like, no AC, no power steering, no power brakes, and you're just, you know, it's great going down the drag strip and everything like that, and you're ripping around a little bit around the streets. But you get in a parking lot and it's busy and there's cars everywhere. Guys are showing cars off, and then you get in a spot and then you try to park that thing or try to leave, and there's so many cars around. You're sitting there fighting and steering, and you back up 3 inches, and then you're fighting and going a hectare, and then you're cranking back. And by the time you're done, you've burnt almost more fuel than your hot rod has, just cranking the steering wheel. So once in a while it'd be nice to just have a nice power steering, power brakes. The only thing I don't have yet is AC, but I'm going to rig that up in there. So I've got a homemade AC that'll work, should work not too bad. I want this to be a cruiser. It doesn't have to be a drag machine. So put this back up here again. Well, I think we're just about done for the night. Got the intercooler all kind of cleaned up and painted up that bracket and stuff. Let it dry for the night. Might come back in the evening, I'm not sure yet. And yeah, so got a fair bit done. As you saw, we got the turbo all plumbed in, oil lines, cooler lines. We just got to hook up the choke cable, throttle linkages, This hose here has to go around the intercooler, so we'll get that hooked up, and once that's the intercooler's on, we can put coolant in. It's all plumbed up, and yeah, so that's it for tonight. I guess the next thing is yeah, I guess it's the coolant and everything, and oh yeah, the oil change. We gotta drop the oil, and then we can wind her up, and we'll go back to what we were doing and get this thing tuned in, and we'll start plumbing up the intercooler and everything too. That'll make a big difference. So yeah, this is Maz, Triple C Creations. Hoping that you guys are starting to like these videos and stuff like that. Basically, just budget builds and whatever I can. Keep you up to date on whatever projects I'm doing up next. So yeah, if you don't mind, it would be highly appreciated. And if you're up for it, subscribe tomorrow. It makes it easier for me to make more of these videos. My camera would stop focusing in and out and everything, so we'll just move over here. And also to hit the bell icon if you're new to the channel. It'll keep you updated. I'm usually doing 2 or more videos a week. Things go right. And yeah, so this is Maz, and we'll see you to the next video. Bye.